444. The best way to communicate to the universe and yourself that you are ready to receive what you have been asking for is by actually believing that you can attain it. See, you often affirm that you are ready for all your dreams to manifest, but then you go on to doubt that it will ever happen. That disconnects your alignment from the frequency of readiness. It does not go far enough. It does not genuinely tune in with your desires. Saying you are ready and believing that it's going to happen in divine timing is the resonance you are looking for. The blessings are rolling in. Focus your energy on the things you want to grow. Weeds and flowers will both grow with given water. Water the flowers within your mind. Focus on the people who bring you joy, the ideas that spark your imagination and curiosity, and your mission. We all have room to grow. Never beat yourself up for your imperfections. Recognize where you need to get better and take the daily steps to do so. Type